Civil twilight, meaning civil twilight, is one of the technical categories of twilight that is based on the angle of the sun in relation to the horizon and the amount of light that is reflected in the sky, as a consequence of the angle of the sun. During civil twilight, when the sun is between 0 and 6 degrees below the horizon, it is the lightest, or least dark, of the 3 times of day. Twilight is most usually used to refer to the time after sunset before absolute darkness, although it may also apply to the period just before dawn in certain instances. Twilight happens in both circumstances, since it is the period of time just before dawn and the period of time immediately after sunset, respectively. The precise timing and duration of civil twilight varies depending on where you live and the time of year you live in. There are 2 more divisions of twilight: nautical twilight, when the sun is between 6 and 12 degrees above the horizon, and astronomical twilight, when the sun is between 6 and 12 degrees above the horizon, often between 12 and 18 degrees. These phrases are primarily used in technical and scientific situations, such as navigation, astronomy, meteorology, and other related subjects, although they are also used in other contexts. Civil twilight is a word that is often used more informally to refer to the period of time immediately after sunset, when there is still some light in the sky, regardless of whether it is technically civil twilight. The word twilight, on the other hand, is far more widely used in colloquial and non-technical situations. As an example, certain stars are brilliant enough to be visible during civil twilight under perfect circumstance,